Turn on the machine. Open the top cover. Remove all the 4 toner cartridges and the drum unit's assemblies. Store the cartridges on a flat surface to avoid damages at the drum surface. Be careful, the light may damage the drum. Hold the green handle of the belt unit and lift the belt unit up, then, pull it out. Do not touch the belt. Do not touch the electrodes inside the machine. If present, remove and discard the orange plastic block. Hold the green handle of the waste toner box, and remove it from the machine. Install the new waste toner box in the machine. Reinsert the belt unit. Reinsert the 4 toner and drum assemblies. Close the cover.